Think your artificial turf doesn't need maintenance? Think again. Here are 3 quick tips to keep it looking brand new. Tip 1. Brush it up. Use a turf rake to fluff up flattened blades and remove debris. It only takes a few minutes and keeps your turf looking vibrant. Tip 2. Rinse it off. A quick rinse with a garden hose removes dirt and keeps your lawn looking fresh, especially after heavy use or pet traffic. Tip 3. Deodorize and sanitize. Use a pet-safe antimicrobial treatment to eliminate odors and keep your turf clean and hygienic. Want your lawn to stay flawless for years? Follow these 3 easy tips and you're golden. For more expert advice and maintenance tools, visit premiumgrassblades.com. Follow us for more turf tips